Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today is another day of racing, and what we're doing today is going back to old #1 Speedway in Harrisburg, Arkansas. I don't honestly think that I can put up or keep up with him because of my motor size. So, tonight, I am not going to let off the gas at all. Probably I will, but last weekend the struggle was, if you remember, the car would not get sideways. No matter how hard I tried, how fast I went, how hard I hit the brakes, it would not get sideways. So what I'm hoping is that my grandpa, who works on my car, shout out to him, I hope that he got the lead put on the side of my car. To be able to lead on one of the sides of your car, I forget which, it helps you slide through a corner easier. But my plans for tonight are going to be different. My plans for tonight are hammer down, don't let off or don't use any brake, gas. Legit, that's it. I'm gonna try and run high tonight. Okay, so let me tell you about something. I keep having, oh my hair, keep having these weird little things I picture in my head, and it's the things that I'm picturing are like me going off the berm in 1 and 2. But one thing that y'all can't see in berms 1 and 2, I'll try and show you if I remember. There's a good 20-foot drop there, so when you go over that sucker, you're soaring for a good 2 minutes. You think you're flying, and then do something. But anyways, I keep seeing it in my head. Me going off turns 1 and 2, and how I'm picturing it. Like right now is what I'm seeing when I look at the flashback. I guess it's not really a flashback because it never happened, but when I'm looking at it is from the GoPro footage where I can see my head and it just gets crushed up, and then nothing happens, and then all I see is me with a red cast in the hospital. So if that happens tonight, dude, I deserve a like, because I'm probably gonna have a pretty nice hospital bill. Notice how here recently I've been starting my videos in my bathroom. I don't know why I did that, but we're gonna start packing up. Racing stuff's ready, my pants are ready. We are straight out of school today. I don't even remember why we didn't go to school. Wait, last time was on a Saturday, right? Anyways, I got armband last time I was there, and so I thought I was going to pay for my way in. Well, of course, tonight's one of the big nights for one of the classes. Hopefully not mine, because if it's for mine, whew, it's not going to be pretty, because there's a lot of fast cars going to be there. But anyways, I will see y'all when I get to the track, maybe even earlier. Maybe. Alright, so I just finished hot laps. The car was amazing, honestly. I could actually get sideways today. The lead or the weight, I don't know what he put on there, obviously helped. One problem though is I'd go through 3 and 4, 1 and 2, be sideways all the way through the corner until about coming out of the middle. And coming out of the middle, I wouldn't say in the middle. The car would go whoa, just stop giving the car gas, so it just fall back down on its face. So what I'm gonna try and do this race is, because our heat's coming up, I'm gonna record that. Have a lot of momentum. Going down low honestly felt quicker, but I don't know if my brakes or something were fading away. But it felt like I can get less and less sideways, or I just got it. Normally I'd go faster, maybe I'll slow down a little bit, I have no clue. But I hope y'all enjoy this heat. Right now, as far as I know, y'all will be seeing GoPro footage right now. Alright, so we got some good news on my part. Factory stock, there's only 5 race cars out here, so that's an easy top 5, which is going to come away with some gas. Let's get it. Anyways, that's if I finish the race. Only 5 people in my heat, 5 people in my feature. I guess I'll just see y'all out there now. Sorry for cutting off the GoPro footage. Now you should be seeing it, because right as I get done recording this, I am walking to the car and getting strapped up. I'll see y'all in the GoPro footage right now. Hold on, okay. What you just saw, my friends, I like to call a little bit of broke driving. Actually not, but we don't know if it's broke or it's just so slick out there, but because there was no packing of the track. Well, we packed the track. Please stay. We packed the track, then it was dry. Like, I was like, what in the world? Hot laps, dust was flying everywhere. He comes out right before a race and gets the whole track, like, so wet, it's not even funny. Don't make a joke, please. And so I get out there and I see something that I run over. Crap! I was like, well, that blows it. And so what I did was, I don't know if you can tell. Well, let me back up. The beginning of the race, I had the worst luck. I started, I pushed the start button. It goes. I was like, no way. I got so mad. Dad went running around trying to find people who were nice enough to let us use their four-wheeler. Finally found somebody. They were nice enough to let me use, or so they could pull me out, push me onto the track. I let go of the clutch, get it going. I was like, yeah, let's go. And then I figured, right as I have to stop up there to line up, it's just gonna die. It did. Try to get as much gas as possible. Didn't work. I got pushed back out onto the track. Did a couple of caution laps, and yeah. Now I noticed. I was like, "Oh crap, my GoPro!" I'm sorry, it was a little sideways. Hopefully, it doesn't matter. But yeah, it was sideways when I was trying to push it down because I kept pushing it and know what was happening. Finally, pushed it and it started. But we only have 4 factory stocks now. I came 4th. I mean, that's getting money, so I really don't care. And the car. I'm gonna try it. Feature. I'm ready for it. One problem: body's hitting the 5th arm, grinding it because when I slid up, it just stopped all my momentum. Second problem: shifter's hitting the drive shaft. Yeah, those are my 2 problems right now. Starter's loose. That's another problem, and that's it. So right now we're gonna try and fix it. I really don't. I will be out there by the feature. Right now there's our heat. Now they're already on the second heat of street stocks, which pays $1,000 to win tonight, and there's barely anybody here, so it's kind of rough. Y'all are about to see my dad's GoPro footage. I'm pretty sure if I upload it to my channel, y'all are gonna see it, and yeah, hopefully he does good. I have no clue who he's paired up with. Probably some rich farmers like always, but. I guess it don't matter if you're a rich farmer. You got the money. I mean, heck, buy a freaking brand new race car. Who gives a crap? Anyways, here you go. I'm gonna show y'all him. I will see y'all in Dad's GoPro footage. I'm pretty sure if he lets me use it, and if not, it's on his channel at Jordan Racing. honestly, to be honest, that's the same thing. I think that was not the best performance, but I pushed the car to its ability of the speed-wise, pretty much everything. So I did what I can. We came out with the 4th place win. Not much I can say. I mean, crap. To only be lapped once kind of feels good, honestly, and you know, definitely can't get like really building up speed. Only problem is still the car's so flat going into corners. I don't know the problem. I'm just gonna let my grandpa fix that for me. I'm sure he'll get it figured out. Whenever we race next, I'm sure we'll make it happen. But anyways, I thought I did decent. I'm gonna walk out with some money that I don't even get to keep, sadly. You know, right back to our pit entrances. And so, yeah, I want to thank you guys for if you made it this far in the video, because if you did, comment whatever you want, so I know. Anyways, thank y'all. Here comes my dad's GoPro footage, and again, if you don't see it, then it's on his channel, Jordan Racing. Jordan space Racing. Remember that? Alright, here you go. Okay, yeah. So, I say overall, pretty good night on both of our parts. I got 4th in my heat and my feature. He got 4th in his heat and 5th in his feature. So, I definitely say we did not go negative tonight. One, you didn't have to pay my armband. And then, yeah, you didn't have to pay money. And yeah, we made money. Unlike last time, we just made an armband back. We both finished. Cars, I mean, my car was not what it can be. Daz, I don't know. What you gotta say about yours?
Driver needs to start working out. I was getting wore out.
Yeah, same. My
arms out.
I remember. Well, I was gonna say you could hear it in the GoPro, but I know you probably can't. It was I go like that. He's like going down the straightaway because my arms were hurting so dang bad. It's okay, because once we get that True Vision gym, we will get back on the
work out there.
That's where I plan on working out. But good night, fun. Switched the heat would have went a little bit better for me, so I could actually try it out. Honestly, just think it's slick. And I got some tips from a good friend Michael, and we're gonna come back. I don't know if we'll be at Harrisburg again, because Friday seemed like the only time we can ever race. So I'm saying that's what we're gonna be doing next week. I'm sure they love hearing your smacking or that noise that you make. It's bad, but now we get this bump up here. Stop. Anyways, I had fun.
Me too.
Yep, it's a fun night. Wasn't that much stuff to work on.
Passed Jeff Moss 3 times, but I couldn't stay in front of him.
Honestly, I think his problem is...
Ran second, less than that.
Yeah, honestly, his GoPro footage, I think. Notice that we don't know when it stopped, but we know he came in and the GoPro was turned off, so... He was second most of the race. Then got a caution, put him on the inside, and yeah, everyone just took off around him pretty much. And so all I can say is
Car didn't like the inside.
The dudes who win or are up there have a lot of this, whole buttload of money. There's that number 45, Robert Lee, Scott Lee, something like that. No, it's not Scott Lee, maybe. That dude is insanely fast. Didn't even look like he was trying, honestly. He was running low and kicking everyone's butt.
So the ball no time?
Yeah. All races on the bike. That's how you know he's fast. He don't even care. And he's coming up to lap you there at the end. He's right. Can you stop running that?
Probably got the. It's probably got that dick so high it's doing that. I heard it was like 51 inches off the ground. You can only make.
And holy crap, his daggum wings are probably around like a foot tall.
That's we could jack ours up like that and then say crap.
Yeah, there's a difference between a GRT and a Longhorn.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it don't matter. It's not about the name of the chassis. I promise you that. I'm putting that in the
He's right behind you, so you're about to track off.
I'm telling you, there's a lot of that's me. Crap, not the car.
Are you being for real?
Yeah.
You were the one who wore out.
I started working out again.
That's not good. See, you could have won this race, but your excuse has to be.
No, I might have finished third. That's what I'm thinking. I'd ended up had that. I had a caution. Wore out. I'd been wore out, but I'd have finished third. Wore out. Should have been no caution. Who was even the caution on? I didn't even see nobody.
Oh, that 01 blue car spun out on the straightaway and then just pulled right in.
What about the second one? The second caution. It was the first caution.
Oh, his car died. And then
Second
that number 1 blue car, yeah, same dude. His car died like right on the straightaway. And then he just rolled off. so y'all did see it, and hopefully y'all enjoy